Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie, and this is 3TEETH. Who? 3TEETH is an industrial metal band from Los Angeles in America, in case there's a Los Angeles somewhere else. This was recommended to me by Kevin Fitzpatrick. If you've watched the channel for a short while, Kevin was actually a guest on the channel at one point. I know he likes his electronic, industrial, metal-y kind of stuff. I haven't heard this. I've just gone, you recommended it, here we go. But, well, I've heard about 2 seconds of it, to be absolutely honest with you. So, yeah, we are in electronic industrial land. But that's all I've heard. I've heard, like, the tiniest snippet. We should just jump in, really. I don't know anything about this band other than they have a new album coming out called Index, and that's out on the 22nd of September. So, as foreshadowing of albums seems to be these days, that's not far away. Keep getting albums that you get a video, and then the album's due out in like 6-8 months time or something. How long is it going to be before I get a video and say, yeah, this is out in 2 years, because they haven't recorded any of it yet. They've just made one song and said that the album's coming. I don't know. Anyway, that's not like, it sounded really grumpy. That's not how I meant it to sound. Why these kids? I've clicked on the wrong thing on my screen, which is why I suddenly look like, what's going on? Okay. It's normal. It's normal. I've just hit the wrong thing. Stop. Just stop. Let's try that again. So this is the song Scorpion. I just hit a button. It started. Hey ho. So this is the song Scorpion off this upcoming album by 3TEETH. Manifestation Well, that went well. Don't dig up random things in the desert. I'm sure the guy said, the guy said at one point then, hang on, bear with me. Oh, the lyrics are here. Good, good, good. Right. See, you know when you're like you don't pick up every word when you listen to songs usually, do you? You know, if it's a folk song you might or something, but in metal, let's face it, you don't pick up every word. And then randomly out of all that, the line I didn't get all of it, but it was something like level 3 body armor. And then I've just looked up and the line is I was born in the storm with level 3 body armor. That was you know when you hear a thing and you think, did I hear them say a thing? Which sort of drops it into like gaming territory, doesn't it? Oh yeah, it's level 3 body armor. Yeah. PUBG, level 3. If you play PUBG, you'd know what I was talking about. Anyway, it just, you know when something just pops out and you go, did I hear that right? The thing about industrial music is it allows you to have that very, very punchy, staccato sort of melody, you know, that's just like dead end, dead end kind of thing, in your face, dead end, dead end, and industrial really lends itself to that sort of thing. For you to go into the studio and make sure that nothing is bleeding over or anything, and just make it go bang, 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 bang. And this is like a really good sort of example of that. And it's lighter on the electronic stuff than I thought it was going to be. Right at the beginning, I thought it was going to be quite electronic, and it wasn't in the end, was it? As soon as the actual sort of the heaviness kicked in, it diverged and went off more less electronic and more sort of heavy in your face. Parents aren't going to like it kind of genre. I think that's probably really catchy. There's not a massive amount to it. It kind of is a little. It doesn't get repetitive. All I'm saying is it repeats itself rather than goes off somewhere else. I don't mean to say, oh, it's repetitive. So it's kind of it's a nice song to listen to and just enjoy it for what it is. But it's not going to take you on a journey or anything. It was never. Don't think it was made to take you on a journey. I can imagine live that coming across really well. I haven't heard anything else by them, but Kevin, who recommended it, said they do some lighter stuff. It's not all like this, so that's a good thing, because you can only, you can. It's like any band. You listen to something and they're good at a thing, and then you go and see them live, and you feel like you've listened to the same thing non-stop for like an hour or hour and a half. So it's good if they've got some light and shade in their back catalogue. Ooh, I'm getting all sort of musical reviewer with my words. So yeah, I enjoyed that. There was nothing in that I didn't like. I'd listen to that without a doubt. Like I say, it's in a genre that suits that kind of songwriting, and it's really well done. I'm not entirely sure what the video was about. What was the lyrics? Born in the storm, king of all the dying, killer of Orion. I eat death like Jeffrey Dahmer. Bit dark. I will sting everything with my poison as your karma. They managed to rhyme Dahmer with something. Serpent of desire, water in the fire. I guess it's song lyrics, isn't it? Interpret them how you wish. Let me know what you think. 3TEETH album's coming out 22nd of September. That was Scorpion, and yeah, there you go. That was pretty good. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon. Maybe. Bye bye.